Welcome everyone, and welcome to another episode of TD 101. This is episode 2, and in episode 2, we will be looking at measurements. Stay tuned. Now, there are two systems of measurement that is used in our world today. It's the metric system of measurement and the imperial system of measurement. The metric system of measurement is the more modern system, while the imperial system is a more traditional system. Now, in technical drawing, when we refer to imperial measurements, we refer to inches. This can be seen on the set square. When we refer to metric system, we refer to millimeters, which can also be seen on the set square. Okay. Nowadays, in technical drawing, we are really straying from using the imperial system of measurement, even though this is still used in some countries. Now, let's have a closer look on the metric system of measurement. Now, in previous grades, you would have used centimeters and millimeters to measure. Now, in technical drawing, we will be using millimeters on a wider scale. But in order to understand millimeters, and in order for you to transition from mathematics to technical drawing, we have to see the relationship between millimeters and centimeters. Now, this set square is showing millimeters. So you see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it goes all the way up. Now, in technical drawing, we use millimeters. So you will have to remember that 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. So now, if you count these small strokes from the 0, you will realize that you will have 1 millimeter, 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters, 4 millimeters, 5 millimeters at this stroke. That is a bit longer than the others. Then you have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 millimeters, which is equivalent to 1 centimeter. So if you are measuring 20 millimeters on this set square, you'll start from the 0 and you'll go all the way to 2 centimeters. In order to convert the centimeters to millimeters, you will simply multiply by 10. Let's say you want a measurement of 25 millimeters. You can go ahead and count 25 strokes, or you can go ahead and count 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, which is 20 millimeters. Then you count 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at this point, you'll have 25 millimeters or 2.5 centimeters. Let's try another measurement. Let's say we want to measure 37 millimeters. You'll go from the 0, 10, 20, 30. Then you count to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So from the 0 point to here, you will measure 37 millimeters. Let's try to draw a line that measures 37 millimeters. Now, to draw this line, we'll have to start at the 0 point. We always start at 0. So we'll put the first dot at 0. Then you'll count 30. 10, 20, 30. Then you'll count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And right on the 7 dot, the 7 stroke rather, we'll place a dot. Now we are going to proceed to connect these dots together. And you will have 37 millimeters. We will do one more just to ensure that this idea sits in properly. I want to measure 5 millimeters. Here's the 0 point. Here's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me bring this closer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's that stroke that is not as short as the others, but is not as long as the original strokes. So let me go ahead. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please bear in mind you have to always start at 0. So now that line is 5 millimeters. So I hope with all that I've explained, with all of that, you will be able to draw lines of various lengths, and also measure different lengths in the metric system. Have a good day, everybody.